Hello friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to download OSM data. For this, you will require a Qgis software. And Qgis is very easy and free software to use GIS. So let's start without wasting a single second. So first, open your Qgis software. On opening, you will see this kind of view. Now just open a new file. After that, you need to add a new base map. It is given in this left panel under XYZ tiles. Select your desired base map. This is Google Hybrid Base Map where you can see locations as well as labels. And this is another kind of base map. Step 4 is to select your study area. In this case, I am taking Bhopal as my study area. Just zoom into your study area. Best thing of QGIS is you can add many plugins. For downloading OSM data, we need to install a plugin. Just go to this plugin, then go to install and manage plugins. And in its search bar, you have to just search OSM downloader. Select it and just click on install. After installing, you will see a new icon added in your toolbox. Just look for that OSM icon. Activate that icon by just clicking left on your mouse button. Now all you have to do is select your study area. Just create a rectangle by clicking left mouse button, holding it, and create a rectangle over your desired area. After selecting, this small window will appear asking for location to save this OSM file. Select your desired folder, rename it if you want, and just click on save. There is a small checkbox in this window. Tick right if you want to load your data in this current QGIS file. Click OK once again. Now it will take 2 to 3 minutes depending on your area size to load the OSM. Now our OSM data is downloaded and now we have to just load it in this file. Just select the folder from this left panel and simply drag it to this layer panel. You will see various type of files such as line, polygon or point data. Just click OK to see all the data. You will see various data loaded in your current GIS file. These are data of building, roads, water body, forest or any kind of wetlands. Even you will get the data of railway networks. Just simply export these files to create shapefiles. Also, don't forget to save this file to use later. So friends, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful. Support me by liking this video. Also subscribe to my channel. Until then, goodbye.